it's me, Michelle True, and today we are gonna talk about munchlings. Munchlings, munchlings, munchlings. Hey guys, Michelle True here, and I wanted to show you something special we bought while we were at Disneyland. We purchased a few of the Disney Munchlings. Here is the BayMax s'more.
It's so adorable.
When I went to Disneyland and we were told that every time they restock, they would sell out. And luckily, we walked into one store and they had a few left and I was able to get one. Watch until the end because I am going to do a giveaway. One lucky subscriber will have one of these. It smells
so good.
It smells like marshmallow.
If you love BayMax, this is a must-have. And I will do a giveaway and I'll explain at the end of this video. Now this is Winnie the Pooh, the honey cake. My son chose this. Smells like honey. It smells so delicious. Honestly, it makes me hungry. But isn't he adorable? They're so big. They're actually bigger than we thought. We only have two right now. We don't have all of them. They're a little pricey, but God, I wish I would have the whole collection because they are so adorable. So these are $34.99. I believe these two are 18 inches. They're fairly big and they smell so good. Like right now, they're making me hungry, but they're adorable. I love them. So these are the bigger plushies that they have, and now I'm gonna show you the mystery ones. I bought a few and I did not open them yet because I wanted to share them with you. So we're gonna do an unboxing right now. So these here are $16.99 each. I'm hoping we get the mystery character because that would be so cool. Let's open it. Ooh, it is Chip. Dark chocolate ganache truffle.
It smells so good.
It smells like chocolate. It smells like you can eat him.
I am so impressed. Okay. We didn't get the mystery guy this time, but I'm tempted to buy more boxes when we go back to Disneyland. So the next one we have is the baked treat. All right, let's get to it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, we got, oh my God. This smells way better than the big one. My son Eris is gonna
Freak when he sees this.
It is so cute. It is so cute. It's cuter than the big version. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay. Now we have the ice cream. Let's get to opening.
Oh my goodness.
Smells so good. Oh my God, it smells so good. The blueberry jam ice cream cone. Oh my God. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just having too much fun here. Smells so delicious. All right, last one. This one was already popped open a little bit, so. We love Nightmare Before Christmas. Smells good. We got
The Oogie Boogie.
oh my God, this is so adorable. Look at that. So Oogie Boogie is the water mint gelato. Enough of that. Let's talk about the giveaway. I did mention that I have an extra BayMax that I would like to give away to one lucky subscriber. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to like the video and you have to comment and let me know why you love the BayMax toasted s'more. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And then I will choose the winner and I will send this baby home to you. And I'm telling you, it is adorable. Until next time, guys, I hope you have a good day. Bye.